Setting up Zendesk Live Chat allows businesses to engage with customers in real time, providing instant support and assistance. Here's how to set up Zendesk Live Chat. Access Zendesk Dashboard. Log into your Zendesk account and access the admin dashboard. Enable Chat. In the admin dashboard, navigate to the Channels section and select Chat. If you don't have the chat option, you may need to subscribe to Zendesk Chat as an add-on. Configure chat settings. Customize the chat widget settings to match your website's branding and functionality requirements. Configure options such as widget appearance, agent availability, pre-chat forms, and offline messaging. Generate embed code. After configuring the chat settings, generate the embed code provided by Zendesk. Insert embed code. Access the HTML code of your website where you want to place the Zendesk chat widget. Paste the generated embed code into the appropriate section of your website's code. Test chat functionality. Save the changes to your website's code and preview your website to ensure that the Zendesk chat widget is displaying correctly and functioning as expected. Train agents. Provide training to your support team on how to use the Zendesk chat interface, manage chat conversations, and respond to customer inquiries effectively.